Hello friends, my name is Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about Amazon Seller Course Lecture 1. This lecture we need to learn about basic business terms of the Amazon course. This video is very useful and very interesting to each and every one of you. Don't skip the video. If you like this video, click the like button. Okay, let's enter into the topic. Let's enter into the topic. Have a nice day. Before we enter into the Amazon, we like to know about e-commerce. First, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is a platform or a website to do online business. In a simple word, e-commerce is nothing but if any work to do through online is called as e-commerce. For example, net banking works under e-commerce. And social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, these all works under the e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce has 4 business models. One is B2B. B2B means business to business. That means if first B is called as manufacturers and distributors, and second B is called as retailer and wholesalers. The manufacturer and distributors sell their products to wholesale and retail shops, and they get their money from wholesale and retailers for their products. That is called as business to business. And second thing is business to customer. Business to customer means if the first business is for retail and wholesalers, and C is called as customers and consumers. The customer and the consumer buy the products from wholesale and retail shops, and they pay their money to retail and wholesalers. That is called as B2C. Okay, and third one is D2C. D2C means direct to customer. That is works under e-commerce. That is called as Amazon. Amazon works under D2C. If the customer order some products to our dashboard, we send the products to the customer directly. That is called as direct to customer. This Amazon works under direct to customer process. Okay, this is the business terms of e-commerce. And e-commerce is created by Michael and Rich in 1978. Okay, and then let's go to Amazon. Amazon is created by Jeff Bezos in 1998. Why the Amazon is created for a first time is it works under online auction store. The first Amazon works under online auction store for selling their books. So we know about Amazon first selling product is books. The Amazon has 4 business models. One is private label. Private label is nothing but a private brand or a private product for their owners only. They register their products as a brand. No one can use their product without the owner's permission. That is called as private label. And second point is drop shipping. Drop shipping means if the customer orders some products from us, we immediately go to the wholesale and retail shops or distributors. They buy the products and immediately send to the customers. In their drop shipping, there is no storage, no warehouse is available. That is called as drop shipping. Third one is wholesale. Wholesale means if the customer orders some product to us, we directly go to the distributors and get the products as a bulk and store their products in wholesale shops and sell the products to customer as the lowest price. That is called as wholesale. And fourth one is online arbitrage. Online arbitrage means there are 2 types of online arbitrage. One is online store and another one is retail store. Online arbitrage means if the customer orders some product to us, we directly get the products from online stores and send to as a bulk and send to the customers, that is called as online arbitrage. And retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage means if the customer orders some products from us, we buy the products from local markets and other retail stores and send to the customer is called as retail arbitrage. These are the 4 business models of Amazon. First, private label has 3 types. One is trademark. Trademark is nothing but a brand registration. Only the owner can access their brands. No, without the owner permission, no one can access or sell their product, sell their branded products without the permission of the owner. That is called as trademark. If first time we registered for the trademark, in the back side of the product, it will shows TM. For example, for trademark is we choose Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola label is a brand and logo, then Coca-Cola name is a brand name. If the backside of the product, if we choose TM, after registration it will automatically shows as R, is called as registered. That is called as trademark. In simple word, trademark is without the owner's permission, no one can access their products and to sell or give to others. That is called as trademark. And second one is patent. Patent is nothing but the idea or a blueprint of the particular person is registered. No one can use their idea to build their own products from other companies without the permission of their particular blueprint person. That is called as patent. And third one, copyright. Copyright is the word used by the owner only. No one can use their word. For example, if Apple is a copyright word, Apple only used by their own companies. No one without their company name, no one can use their product, use the copyright word to other products. That is called as copyright. And the business terms has 6 types. One is manufacturer, distributor, wholesaler, and fourth one is retailer and customer and consumer. First, manufacturer. Manufacturer is nothing but who created his own product in the factories are called as manufacturers. This manufacturer has no direct contact with customer, consumers, and then wholesale and retailers. So they appointed and they connected with distributors to sell their products from the factories. That is called as manufacturer. And second one is distributor. Distributor is nothing but who distribute the products to get from the manufacturer and send to the wholesale and retail shops. The distributor is not directly connected with customer and consumers. So the distributor is directly connected with manufacturer, wholesale and retail shops. So the product, once the manufacturer created his product, the distributor get their products from the manufacturer and send their products to wholesale and retail shops. That is the work of distributor. And third one is wholesale. Wholesaler. Wholesaler is nothing but if we need the stock for their store, they get from their distributor as a bulk and they store their products in his shop and sell their products as a lowest price to the customers. That is called as wholesale. The wholesalers is not directly connected with manufacturers. They are directly connected with distributors, retailers and customer and consumers. That is called as wholesaler. And fourth one is retailer. Retailer is nothing but retail shops or local markets. They directly connected with distributors, wholesalers and customer and consumer. The retail shops, they get their products from wholesalers and distributors and store their stock in their shop and then they sell their customer as a little bit highest price. That is called as retailer. And next point is customer. Customer is nothing but who buy their products from retail and wholesale shops is called as customer. For example, if we buy the products, if we buy the Apple iPhone from their mobile shops, that is called as customer. And last one is consumer. Consumer is nothing but who used the product is called as consumer. This is the difference between the customer and consumer. Customer who buy the products from wholesale and retail shops, that is called as customer. And consumer is nothing but who use their products is called as consumer. And then the manufacturer has two types. One is OEM manufacturer. OEM is nothing but original equipment manufacturer. Is called nothing but if the product, if that one company is give their ideas and blueprint and some products to the OEM manufacturer, they design the products as per the blueprint, they give it to the companies. That is called as OEM, original equipment manufacturer. And second thing is original design manufacturer. Original design manufacturer is nothing but if the company give their products to the customer, if they only give the idea of the particular product, they ODM manufacturers designed with this idea, they design their own product with the own blueprint. That is called as ODM. These are the business terms. And last one is shipment. Shipment is nothing but if the customer orders some product from us, we send their products to the customer. That is called as shipment. This shipment has two types. One is FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon means if the customer order some products, we get the products from local markets, we directly send to the Amazon warehouse. Warehouse is nothing but storage area of the Amazon. We send the product, get the products as a bulk and send to the Amazon warehouse. That is called as FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. In fulfillment by Amazon, we get the products as a bulk only, not a single product, two product we didn't send to Amazon. That is called as FBA. And second shipping is FBM, fulfillment by merchant. Fulfillment by merchant means if the customer order the products from us, we directly send to the product as one quantity, two quantity directly to the customer. That is called as FBM. Okay friends, this is a video. This is the basic business terms of this Amazon's course. If next lecture we go by step and become a good Amazon seller. If you like this video, click the like button. If you need more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay friends, thank you for watching.